India's first cash-giving app called Cash E at a five-star hotel in central Mumbai. Take a look.
My father is Boni Kapoor. The thing with him is he makes films that are over budget. Now imagine what he would do to his son. So I've understood what he has to go through to make me feel and the way he made me feel, which is an amazing feeling. But touch wood, I hail from a family where they never made me feel like I'm not going to get something that I want. They made it possible in any capacity. I'm sure he felt these moments more than I did. I'm very, very blessed that I didn't have to go through as much as he's had to go through.
If only Cashier was there for you.
If only.
Very, very good afternoon to all of you, ladies and gentlemen, and all these distinguished gentlemen on stage. Arjun Kapoor, who I've known for a very long time, though he doesn't know that, but I've known him since he was very, very little.
No, I remember.
And to Raman. I have to say that, and of course to Manu here, I have to say that when I met Raman a few evenings ago, he said that he was handing out the money and that if I didn't give it back, I wouldn't be in a hospital. So I thought that's a great way to go. I mean, you know, this is a very civilized way of getting the money back. I think this is a really, really good idea, and I think it's going to help a lot of people. And I told Raman that, and I think that it's going to be hugely successful.
Am I allowed to get a loan from Cash E?
Arjun, you know, it's funny you asked that question.
After all this.
Absolutely. You as Arjun Kapoor, certainly, but you as the car in Key and Car, no.
So Kareena can get the loan.
Absolutely.
So at least somebody in the house can get a loan out of Cash.
Absolutely.
Then that serves the point.
Absolutely.
अर्जुन कपूर इसके लिए एलिजिबल नहीं है तो आपने ब्रांड एम्बेसडर क्यों बनाया?
सर आप बहुत पर्सनल हो रहे हो.
या
आप आके मेरी बैंक स्टेटमेंट चेक कर लेना घर पे.
सर बैंक स्टेट की बात नहीं है, सैलरी पैसा
उन्होंने
की बात
मजाक
है.
किया था. उन्होंने ये कहा जो मैं फिल्म कर रहा हूँ, मेरी जो अगली आने वाली फिल्म है जो कल रिलीज होने वाली है, उसमें मैं एक होम मेकर का रोल निभा रहा हूँ जिनकी कोई सैलरी स्लिप नहीं होती. तो बाकायदा उनके रूल के हिसाब से वो मेरे किरदार को लोन नहीं दे पाएंगे. उन्होंने मेरे कैरेक्टर को असैसिनेट नहीं किया, उन्होंने मेरे कैरेक्टर के बारे में बात की जो मैंने एक फिल्म में दर्शाई है. तो अगर आप how do you kind of decide how much a person can get? So like for example, how much could I get? What does it depend on?
It depends on your salary. So we take your salary and we run, and then all the other particulars that we've taken from you.
Okay.
And we then build a model on you, and we give you 40% of your salary with a max of 50,000 at this particular point.
So you decide a cap on the...
Yes, we decide a cap.
I'll speak as a consumer.
Sir.
Hopefully you will give me the loan despite what the journalist from Bhaskar said. I would like to believe मुझे मौका मिलेगा ये ऐप यूज़ करने का. Okay, this is all that we've spoken about are the technicalities, but let's talk brass tacks as a consumer, as a person. I'm sure the generation that they're appealing to, I'm sure the generation that they want to target is a generation that doesn't have time. Time is more important than money for our generation. To go into a bank and try and explain to them why they need a loan, and on the basis of the little salary that they get, like Dalip was saying, normally banks would shun you, or they would say, chalo dekhenge, sochenge, ho jayega. It's a time-consuming process. If you're a single person who's coming from another city or another town, working in a big city, you need money on an emergency. सबको डर लगता है कभी-कभी अपने दोस्तों से पैसे मांगने, because you never know who reacts in what way. Everybody has their own personal reasons for not going out and putting the hand out. This way, any self-conscious citizen of the country would know that they'll get into trouble if they don't return the loan, and it's more like a hand loan. The way I look at it from a practical perspective, खुदा ना खास्ता कभी ज़रूरत पड़े तो you need that 15-20,000 extra. God forbid there's an accident that happened and you don't have anybody to call in the middle of the night. At least you know you've got this. So it takes care of a lot of practical needs, and practicality is the key today. I think for our generation, we look at everything practically. We look at relationships also with practicality. Family is about practicality. So in that age, in this day and age and this generation, I think an app like this stands to succeed. Today यार मूवी टिकट मिल जाती है, आपको टैक्सी चाहिए, टैक्सी फ़ोन से मिल जाती है, तो अब तो आपको लोन भी फ़ोन से मिल जाएगा, तो क्या बुरा है? अच्छी बात है. I think it's a very positive step towards making sure people are taken care of.